Do you ever find yourself in a situation really craving sweets, sugar, treats, maybe something that you know, maybe even it's just more of what you're eating, more lasagna for that matter, and you feel like you're just in such an intense space, you cannot tolerate saying no to these things? If that's you, I propose a little bit of mindfulness, just an idea. It takes less than 30 seconds to help you tackle any intense, crazy cravings that you're experiencing around snacks like this. So hello and welcome. I'm Kimber Domke, mindful food and fitness coach. And this weekend I had the amazing opportunity to take some workshops with Cory Muscara. And he is a fantastic mindfulness and meditation teacher. And I wanted to share one of the takeaways that is called Take 5, and you can apply this today. I'm talking like in the next hour or two if you feel like you're facing some challenging cravings or other intense stressors in your system. So Take 5, I know sometimes it feels like a physical need. We just need this snack so desperately that you can't say no and you can't pause and you can't even really catch yourself from what's happening until it's too late and all the snacks are in your belly. So if you can just start to build this practice of when you feel this uncomfortable sensation of a food craving coming on, step one, put the item down, put the item in question down if it is indeed in your hands already or in your mouth. Are you able to put it down? That's step one. And then the practice of taking 5, this is simply breathing and doing a physical motion. We're gonna do it right now. And it gives you enough time to sort of reset your system, to reset your nervous system, and to let your brain just calm down a notch. So it's simply starting from the base of your hand and taking long breaths, inhaling and exhaling. And it's great to do while looking at your hand even. Inhaling. Do it with me, come on. Exhaling. And that is it. That is it. It is so simple. It's great for kids if you're around kids. It's great if you're in a high stress situation. And I am using it right now, this week, with any cravings that I'm facing for food, just to give myself that momentary chance to pause, to reset, to actually observe myself and to feel where I'm at. The whole point of this is to have that little bit of tactile sensation combined with the breath, combined with, hey, your hands are taken up, so hopefully you're not stuffing your face with those hands. That is it for today. I challenge you to try the Take 5 technique sometime this week, whether you're facing a food craving or some other high stress situation where you just need a moment to let yourself reset before things go awry and all the treats are in your stomach. Take care and have an awesome day. This is Kimber Domke, mindful food and fitness coach. Head on over to the website, kimberdomke.com, for email updates and more details.